K-12 reviews are teamed very similarly to a higher education review, where we have at least one subject matter expert. We have the reviewers who are external to the institution or organization, and we have a master reviewer who is chair, and some of those roles can overlap with one another. For K-12 reviewers, we ask for recent teaching or development of an online or blended course during the past 18 months. We also consider things like if it's an elementary level course, we're looking for people who are familiar with what expectations are at the elementary level, in addition to general subject matter expertise if it's a science or a math course, for example. We make sure that a link to the appropriate and correct content standards is provided in the course worksheet, and that the correlation document shows the alignment of course level objectives, module level objectives, and content standards. Course representatives who I had the pleasure of managing a course review as chair, they said that from their perspective, receiving all of the recommendations and suggestions for improvement from the review team was just invaluable for her. She did say that was the best professional development she had ever had.